Hi boys and girls, this is math lesson number 1. We're looking at page 239. We're going to do the front and the back today. So number 1, how many pennies make $3? So you know that 100 pennies make $1. So how many pennies make $3? Then you'll figure out how many nickels, dimes, and quarters. Number 2, count out 20 pennies. So you may need to find 20 actual pennies or 20 rocks or 20 leaves or draw 20 X's, because then you're going to tell me how many is in half the pennies, how many is in a fourth of the pennies, and how many, if you have 5 groups, is in each group of pennies. Number 3, you'll know what to do. Follow the arrows. The solid arrow, you're going to add 1,000, so just the thousands place will change. The dotted arrow, you're going to take away 100, so the hundreds place will change. You should be fine with number 4. Just a reminder, if we said 9 minus 5 is 4, and then we said 90 minus 50, we still have 9 minus 5, so it's still 4, but now we have the 0, so it becomes 40. If we had 900 minus 500, it's still 4, but we have 2 zeros. Oh my, 400. Okay. Number 5, you're going to match feet and yards, and I'll help you with that. Remember, yardstick is the wooden stick we had in the classroom, and it's about 3 feet long. A ruler that we had in the classroom is about 12 inches long. So 2 feet is 2 rulers. 3 yards is 3 of those long wooden sticks. Number 6, draw an 8 by 4 array. So 8 across and 4 down. Now if we look at the next page, that's why we're doing the back, we're doing this one, and page 241. We're comparing the prices of items in 1980 or 1897, over 100 years ago, to current. So you could buy cheddar cheese ½ pound for 6 cents in 1897. But if you buy it now, it's $2.99. So the two sides are comparing the prices of the items. Page 241 asks you questions about those items. Some of them are, how much does a bicycle cost in 1897? Or the harder part would be, how much more does cheddar cheese cost now than it did in 1897? And if you're finding out how much more or how much less, you're subtracting. Just remember, with money, you have to line up your decimal points. I left my eraser downstairs. So you have to line up your decimal points. If cheddar cheese costs $2.99 now, that number goes first because it's more. And it used to cost 6 cents. You're lining up your 6 in the ones place with your 9 in the ones place, which means these are all zeros. See, your decimal points stay lined up. Here's your dollar signs. They stay lined up. So now you have 9 minus 6, 9 minus 0, 2 minus 0. So it costs $2.93 more now. So when you do the math, make sure you line them up. Then on number 5, it says make your own problem about then and now. So tell me about 2 things and compare them. Either tell me how much more a wagon is now than it was, or make up a story about if you bought ketchup and a bicycle, how much it is. You make up your own story. You do have to tell me what they are, okay?